Hey everybody! So on this episode of Cooking with the Kowalskis, I am making a creamy kale pasta with some shrimp. So I will walk you through what I've got going here. Okay, so I'm making a sauce first. So what I have in the food processor here is some parsley, basil, some olive oil, capers. The recipe called for pine nuts, but instead I'm going to use some cashews. So I got some cashews in there. Salt, pepper, and lemon juice. I think that's it. So I'm going to blend all this up here just as a sauce to kind of go over the pasta. And then just right now I just have some water boiling right here through too that I will add the pasta in and get that all nice and cooked. And then I'll check back. Okay, so I got the sauce all blended up here in the food processor. Tastes amazing. So that is all ready to go. And then over here, I got the pasta in there and cooking. So that is boiling here. And this is the pasta I use. We just do a brown rice pasta, just gluten-free. Obviously, you can use whatever pasta you'd like. And then over here, I got a pan going. So I put a little bit of butter in there to get that nice and melted. And then I'm going to saute up some garlic. So I chopped up some garlic in there. And then kale as well. So after that is cooked a little bit more, I will check back. Okay, so I got the garlic and kale cooking here, so that's just about good. So what I'm going to do next is add in 1/4 cup of the water from the pasta, and then 1/4 cup of chicken broth. And I'm going to add that into this pan just to kind of get it nice and liquidy, and then I'm going to add in the pasta as well. If you didn't want to use the water or the broth, you could also add in like a white wine to add some of that flavoring. And then I got shrimp cooking right here. So I'm going to get that going and cooked up a little bit more. When that's all cooked, I'm just going to kind of combine everything together, add in some Parmesan cheese, lemon juice, whatever you want to do. So I'll check back here in a little bit. Okay, so we're just about done here. So I added in the pasta into the kale and the garlic, and then I added in some of the pasta water and some broth. And then I combined what was in the food processor with all of my sauce, with the basil, parsley, all that. I added that into the mixture and through here, so that tastes really good. And then I got the shrimp going here, so I ended up just taking off the shells and the tails, and then I threw in some butter. So I'm just kind of finishing up sauteing it with some butter. I threw in some garlic, salt, and pepper. And then once this is all cooked here, I will throw this into this pan, add in a little bit of Parmesan cheese and a little bit of red pepper flakes, and probably call it good. So I'll show you the finished product here. All right, so there is the finished product. It looks so good. I'm so excited to kind of dive into this here. But yeah, super easy dinner. Probably took me 20-30 minutes tops. Not the worst thing in the world for you to eat, and just something a little bit different. So hope you guys try it out. Let me know if you do, and enjoy.